Now for the omelette, as ever, you want beautiful fresh eggs. So these are our own eggs from our happy, lazy, organic hens. Lots of different old-fashioned breeds. This lovely blue one comes from is laid by a particular hen called an Araucana. Lovely fresh eggs, and usually 2 eggs for a classic omelette. So into that I need a little bit of salt. So sprinkle in a little salt, some freshly ground pepper, nice bit of pepper, and then a little tiny drop of milk. Look, just about a dessert spoon of milk, and whisk it up really well so that there's no kind of gloopy bits in it. But even before you do this, the really important thing is to put your pan on the heat so the pan is really, really hot, and also have a warm plate, or not too hot a plate, literally sitting beside the cooker so that it's ready. You can put the omelette straight out onto, because this happens so fast that you're not going to have time to go and find a plate. So as you can see, the pan is getting really, really hot there at a high heat. Now the other thing you've got to decide, if you're going to put a filling in your omelette, you need to have the filling good and hot and right beside you as well. So it's pan hot, filling beside you, and serving plate ready to go. So now take some of the clarified butter, so just a clear butter there. Put a good tablespoon of that in there to make sure that it covers the pan. Oh, that looks good and hot. Swirl it around like that. Then straight in, pour the omelette straight in. Now, immediately it sizzles up. So tilt the pan to the side like that with 2, 3, 4, then maybe just until it starts running easily. Then take the filling and spoon some of the hot filling right across the pancake like that, the way you're going to fold it. And then very quickly flip the edge of the omelette over the filling, and then change the angle of your hand. Instead of holding the pan like this, change it like that, and then literally let the omelette just roll off the pan. There you are. So 45 seconds, maybe a minute. There you have your beautiful fresh omelette. If you like, you can grate a little Parmesan cheese over the top, maybe a sprinkle, a little parsley, and there you have a feast. All you need is a glass of wine to have with your omelette. So as I say, this is a classic French omelette, and it's the quintessential fast food. If you have a couple of eggs in your kitchen, a little cheese, maybe spring onions or whatever, you can cook an omelette for yourself in just 1 minute, and then straight to the table and enjoy.